Alright, so this is the finished product of one of the boards. I may or may not do a part 2 on final assembly. This is just first trial run, I guess. My first attempt of milling some lumber. This is red oak, and this is going to be going into a workbench at about 4 feet off the floor, so we'll see how that ends up going. Pretty good grain. Right now we have it sanded down some. Don't have all the chainsaw marks out of it. I don't know if we want to get all them out yet. Depends on what the customer wants. But we are going to find that out. I'll probably, if he wants it with chainsaw marks in it yet, I'll throw a thick layer of polyurethane on and then sand that. Should take all the chainsaw divots out of the surface of that and put a light spray coat on, and that should make a smooth surface, still have the chainsaw look, but other than that we're going to sand it down till it's smooth. So yeah, this is as of now, and subscribe for part 2 on final assembly of this bench, and I plan on doing videos on all of my next benches. I have a sweet gum and some pine we're going to mill up, and I'll probably make a bunch more red oak coffee tables and TV stands and such. So that's kind of the plan for now. So we had a little change of plans here. The table was originally meant to be a workbench, but the guy who was going to buy it decided that's not exactly what he wanted. I'm going to be making one for him out of a sweet gum log that I have. So I turned it into a coffee table. That's why the first part of the video that I made will say it's for a workbench, and the next part will say it's for a coffee table, and I turned it into a coffee table. Just, explain a little bit that there. So this is basically the final product. I used walnut for the legs. I carved down the ends of these branches here, drilled a 1-inch hole about an inch into either side. On both ends I did that the same. On the base down here I drilled 2 inches into the board and 3 inches into the wood, and put a 1-inch dowel rod up in that, glued it, screwed everything really sturdy. Right now the glue is drying. I did not get pictures or videos on assembly, which I wanted to, but didn't. But that's how I did it. I just drilled holes and stuck dowel rods in it, glued everything, screwed it together. That should hold it good and tight. And that's the final product. I squared off the ends, made them look a little bit nicer. It's exactly 6 feet long now. So, alright, so here it is. I've done spraying varnish on for the most part now. You can see how shiny it is. See the reflection in it. It's pretty good. Ready to go. For sale. $800.